ezLocator's been a money saver for me because it saves me time, and time means money, and that's a big important feature.
I find that on the field we're saving time making decisions quickly because the pin position is already preset, and for myself communicating with my staff, they know exactly what I'm looking for that day.
ezLocator has helped us save time and use our time more wisely when it comes to tournament setup especially.
Before ezLocator, it was up to our staff to go out and cut hole locations every morning. We had to constantly monitor that staff, make sure that hole locations were put in the right spots. We had kind of a pretty simple system to where we tried to encompass 3 easy, 3 medium, and 3 hard. 3 front, 3 center, 3 back. And that's taken all of that work out of the equation. And we just, we let the program computerize all of that, generate the hole locations, and we go in afterwards and make adjustments where necessary. And we feel pretty good about, once the staff is trained, going out and cutting those hole locations. So that's really saved us a lot of time.
The quality and the location of the hole is set by me. So again, I take the human nature out of the scenario that we usually typically find ourselves in, or even worse, having to stay with the same hole changer for a long period of time to get that rotation of hole locations that we normally wouldn't get.
ezLocator has saved us time because we used to do, the cup setters would do the hole locations, have to pace them off for the next day every morning as they were changing holes. Now they already have that information at hand, so they're able to go through the cup setting process much quicker because they're not having to actually generate the next day's hole settings.